Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all. Hey guys, how are you? It's K2 and welcome back to Drama YT. In this video, I will be talking about my top 10 Chinese dramas which you guys should be watching right now. I really will recommend you guys to do check the description box for more information about all the C-dramas that I'm gonna mention in this video. As always, do comment below that which C-drama list you want to watch next. Now give this video a like and let's get to it. Number 10. Medical examiner Dr. Shin. Talented youth Shin Ming just stepped out into society and with the help of Lin Dang and the others, he slowly steps out of his childhood trauma and become a renowned medical examiner who can take charge of the whole bureau. A new murder happened with the same MO as 15 years ago. Did they catch the wrong person or the murderer had an accomplice? The nightmares and memories Shin Ming experience resurface again. Number 9. My Queen. The heroine is a poor little assistant who has to endure her devil boss. When she enters a game world, she becomes the ninth princess of Roshoi country. As she embarks on the journey to finding love, she crosses paths with a man who looks very similar to her boss. Jiang Xiaoming has always dreamed of finding the perfect boyfriend, just like the leading men found in the dramas nowadays. Unfortunately, her wish hasn't been granted since she has been single since birth. Furthermore, she also has to deal the endless pressure of working for her CEO boss Shinhan all year round. After being chosen to be the first to participate in a closed beta test for the game Destine, Jiang Xiaoming transforms into the ninth princess who is looking for a true love in the ancient times. Upon entering the game, she runs into Muren Shen and is shocked to discover that he closely resembles Shinhan. The two join hands in the pugilistic world to face all kinds of hardships and dangers together. With every level that they clear, the day that they have to part draw closer. Number 8. Once given, never forgotten. Shang Wuxiu is an orphan. A decade ago, his girlfriend Luo Ting died and donates her cornea to a sick 10-year-old girl named Shang Lianxin. Now 10 years later, Lianxin has returned to China after finishing a degree overseas. She meets her donor's younger brother, Luo Rui, who falls in love with her at first sight. However, Lianxin secretly adores Shang Wuxiu, the ex-lover of her cornea donor. Shang Wuxiu can't face Lianxin. Every time he looks at her, he sees loathing eyes, so he has no choice but to suppress his feelings for her. Under great pressure, Lianxin unexpectedly falls victim to Alzheimer's and Yeshu tries everything to help her get well. Number 7. A river runs through it. A story that follows students who journey through life and share experiences in sadness and joy. It starts with a transfer student who makes a new set of friends at her new school. Xia Xiaozhu transferred right before the Gaoku examination. She then meets the compassionate Xing Lang, the straightforward Lu Shiyi, the often-dazed Xu Liu Tao, and many others. Despite feeling flustered by her new environment and starting off meeting her new classmates over a misunderstanding, she tries to make the best out of it. With Gao Gao fast approaching, the students make their own decisions that bring about a set of new challenges. Number 6. Dream of Chang'an. It tells a fateful reunion of two twin sisters, Qing Ryuyun and Xu Yanzi, as they become involved in political affairs upon encountering the young emperor Lian. The eunuchs have gained control of the palace during the reign of Emperor Wenzong of Tang. Hoping to free the nation from their clutches, Emperor Wenzong secretly plans to assassinate the head eunuch Xiu Xiliang, but their plan ends in utter defeat. Prime Minister Wang Ya's entire household is sentenced to death except for his granddaughter's twin, who barely escaped the death. The young sister, who is adopted by the Zei Bureau, assumes the name Yu Bingar. Determined to take revenge, the older sister changes her name to Yanzi and becomes Xiu Xiliang's granddaughter. 7 years later, Emperor Lian ascends to the throne. Lian resorts to using the Zei Bureau to fight against Xu Xiliang. As a result, the two sisters meet again as enemies, unable to recognize their relation by blood. Number 5. Song of Youth. During the Ming Dynasty under Longxing's rule, Lin Shaoxun's family was destroyed when her father faced accusation of corruption. While attending a performance of the acting troupe, Shaoxun has joined Shun Yun Lao, a wealthy young master, quickly falls for her. With Yunlo's help, Xiaoshun disguised herself as a male, allowing her to take the national entrance exam, and in under a year, she becomes a successful businesswoman, marries Shun Yulao, mediates family relationships by resolving many crises, earning praise from those around her. In time, she discovers her father-in-law, Shu Shun, was behind her family's downfall. If she is to attain justice, Xiaoshun must place righteousness above family. Then what will she decide? Number 4. Stop Miss Hua. A sassy socialite meets a knight in Shining's armor in a former firefighter whose tough guy exterior is the complete opposite of his adorable personality. Hua Mingyu was born with a silver spoon. With everyone around her bending to her will, she doesn't know the concept of having to work hard for anything and only knows how to play hard. Shin Dong-hai was once the squadron leader of the team of firefighters, and after retiring, he studied in the UK and returns home with the flying colors as he applies for the position of the Hua group. Although he is tall, dark and handsome, he is actually a softie at heart. Hua Mingwei and Shin Dong-hai met each other acquaintance after getting off to a bad start. Shin Dong-hai inadvertently becomes Hua Mingyu's counsel in the hopes that he can help her change her ways and get on the right track. Number 3. Crush. Sang Woo-yan, a college senior, dreams of becoming a broadcaster. She works as an assistant at a radio station and likes a mysterious songwriter with the name Izin. She fell in love at first sight after a chance meeting with Shun Yanxian and later discovers that he is visually impaired. Layer by layer, Sang Woo-yan peels off Shun Yanxian's elusive, arrogant, and indifferent self due to his broken family. She then learns that he was in fact the talented Izin. Their interactions lead to a sweeping romance, but the couple find themselves in a tug of war between their hard-earned happiness and a fear of loss. Mounting pressure eventually leads to a breakup. 3 years later, the two people who have gone down different paths meet again and their love quickly rekindled. Number 2. Broker. A broker with a hidden agenda plots to steal a scientist's research, yet a mutual attraction develops between them. Xiao Jianing is a core member of a research lab spearheaded by the leading pharmaceutical company in the nation. She is devoted her heart and soul to finding answers to scientific problems, not only to prove herself but also to secure her country's position in the biological field. As their experiment enters the clinical phase, a new researcher by the name of Zhao Xiaoxian joins the team. His sharp acumen and quiet nature attract Jianing's attention. Similarly, her beauty and strength disrupt the calm in Zhao Xiaoshan's single-minded pursuits. In reality, he is a broker who has walked into their lives for the purpose of stealing Jianing's research. Will she be the one to able to change him? Number 1. You Are My Glory. A story that follows an aerospace engineer Yutu and the shining star Xiao Xingxing. A decision to start gaming in order to save her endorsement deal brings her face to face with an old crush. As they grow closer, the two forge ahead to become each other's glory. Being a well-known celebrity, Xiao Xingxing has to keep up appearances to maintain her multifaceted image. Alas, one starts to crack when someone leaks a video of her playing an online game and being just terrible at it, which is completely inconsistent with the image she has created for herself as the game's ambassador. Thus, she joins a gaming competition to prove her skills and to prevent herself from losing her endorsements. Xiao Xingxing decides to use all her free times towards improving her game, and her decision leads to reconnect with her old high school classmate Yuto, whom she once had a crush on. He was a legend at their school, outstanding in everything that he does, while Xiao Xingxing was just your average girl. Yuto has gone on to become an aerospace engineer who is also an expert gamer. It seems that the online game has brought them together once more, so she asks him to become her gaming coach. So that was it guys, the video ends here. I hope you have liked this video. If you have watched the video till here, give this video a like and subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you guys have not followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you. It is called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. And I will see you later as always. Your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.